Hey everyone, this is Dirk. Thanks so much for tuning in. I want to pick up where I left off with my channel to review some creator gear. I was able to get the Meike, or in German we would say Meike 85mm f1.8 and autofocus full frame lens for $200 on Amazon. How is this even possible? Huh? I wanted to see what's the build quality, how's the performance, and if Meike can surprise us again as they did with their 50mm full frame lens. The box is sealed, and you know me, I like this a lot. In the box we do have a warranty card, a manual and product description, the lens hood and the lens itself. It is made of plastic and it's a lightweight. The official weight is 386 grams or 13.6 ounces, but in reality it's even a bit lighter when you take off the lens hood and the caps. The filter size is 67mm and it has 9 blades. There's a switch on the side where you can choose between autofocus and manual focus. The focus ring at the front goes really smooth. The first thing I notice is that the Meike 85mm f1.8 has only a very mild pincushion distortion. Alright, let's take a look at sharpness in the center and the corners. At f1.8 we have already a decent center sharpness, but the corners are very soft. As we stop it down we have an ongoing improvement until we reach the maximum center sharpness and contrast at f6.3. The corners are at its best at f11. After f11 naturally everything becomes a little bit softer. The lens has a mild vignetting that is completely gone after we stop it down to f4. At f1.8 we have very strong chromatic aberrations. Of course such things can be removed in post-production, but I need to mention that. And as soon as we stop it down to f2.8, these CAs are so much better controlled. The autofocus is very snappy, also in video mode. However, there's a noticeable focus breathing. Now it's about time to test it in the real world. I went to Cars and Coffee in the Mercato to take some pictures. We're shooting at f1.8 against very strong backlight. As we zoom in we can see that the image is very sharp. And look at this bokeh, that's super smooth. All my images I'm showing here are unedited, and you can see that already at f1.8 we can achieve very capable results. Quite honestly, I did not expect this bokeh and sharpness from a $200 full-frame autofocus lens. Like I said before, it's completely unedited. Imagine what you can do in post-production. .85mm is a great focal length for portraits, so let's take a portrait. Here I'm taking a picture of Leon. And also this has a very good sharpness already at f1.8. Here I'm taking a handheld video from the second story at f5.6. This lens does not have image stabilization, that's why for video work the use of a tripod or any support is highly recommended. I'd like to know what you think of the Meike 85mm f1.8 in the comments below, and of course, if you liked the video, leave a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching this and tune in soon again. Bye for now.